So you can use fresh fish. This one was frozen before, so I defrosted it, and then after doing that, now I'm just petting it dry. I'm making sure that there's no excess water in there before we can season it and then dip it into our butter. So we're going to season our fish with just salt, season on both sides. So you can add salt and fish spice into your flour. I'm using cake flour or all-purpose seasoning. All-purpose, so you can use all-purpose flour. I'm using cake flour, and then I added just 1 teaspoon of salt and prawn and calamari spice, but you can add fish spice. You can add as much fish spice as you want. I'm just gonna add a bit more salt and then go in with my lager. Add your beer to make your butter. Butter is gonna be very, very nice. So you want a wet consistency, so you just keep adding more beer until you have the consistency that you like. So I would advise you start with less flour so that you don't run out of beer, or if you're using soda water. And remember, beer gets cooked down, so you're not gonna get drunk from cooking with beer. Add just a bit of flour, not too much. Take your fish, place it in the butter. Second fish goes in. Beautiful. Beautiful.